have a treat for you guys today. I really hope you like it. I'm gonna just paint a picture for you. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I will be checking comments to make sure that you've done that. Don't know if you know this about me, but my grandmother and my great-grandmother used to be a gardener. So they use a whole bunch of herbs and plants and kind of just make lotions and potions. We were basically witches. Yeah. Not too much. I'm here to show you today what you can do with your rose petals. You can make rose water, which is great for your skin, and it's an easy way to up your skin regimen. It's great for nourishment, and it's great for cleansing, and it's also great for sensitive skin. I have like the most sensitive skin ever. Honestly, it's disgusting sometimes. Like literally, like if the wind blows a little too hard, I feel like I get a scratch. And if you're from New York, you know what the wind can do. But less on that. I was going to make rose water and rose toner. Basically, the difference between rose toner is literally just adding like a teaspoon of witch hazel, which I already have. Razzle dazzle. I already pre-prepped. I'm going to show you one rose that I haven't prepped yet. It's so cute. I love roses. But yeah, let's just get started. I am completely dressed because I have to go to school in about 30 minutes, but I'm going to show you guys the different color roses that I have. I prefer you not mix them up because it'll give it like a weird color at the end, and I think we want like a really rich pink color. This is the rose pink that I'm going to use to make my lip scrub. My grandmother actually showed me this technique when I was little. I naturally have very dark lips, and though I feel like that was unnecessary for me to say, but I have to say it. When I use this, honestly, like it makes it so plumped, and you just have to try it for yourself, for real. You know, like classic red roses, you never really could go wrong with them. But I think that the purple is a little more unique, and it might give that little extra oomph in the coloring when we melt it down. It'll be cool. Okay, so enough of all the details and all the extra stuff. We're going to just go in and start working on them now. You have to be very, very gentle. I don't prefer that a rough bodybuilder does this because they are going to rip the roses. This is a job only a girl can do. Just kidding again. Okay, when it gets to the very end, you're gonna see these things. You do not want them in your potion. I'm gonna call it potion from now on. Sorry in advance. You only want the petals, so you have to be very careful that you're not getting them like inside. So you have to check. Make sure you check. But yeah, this is what your flower should look like after. I know you guys are tired of these tips that I'm giving you, but I'm giving you one more. If you have a potato and you have some honey, cover the stem in honey and stick the potato in it, and you can actually grow your own bouquet of roses. Don't ask why I know that. I've been obsessed with growing stuff since I was little, so now it's just like I get to tell you all this stuff, and it's like it's so fun. Let's continue. Hi, Harley. Another tip that I forgot to mention, if they're really, really dead or really on its way, I don't like using the word dead, but what I like to do is cut it with scissors. So basically I would scoop it up. Thank you, darling. I would scoop it up as much as I can, like that, and just kind of just cut the ends, which made no sense because it fell right into the bowl. Now you have like a more layered and also alive rose.
And after what do we want to do?
Then we have to boil it in distilled water. Distilled. It's literally $1.99 for a gallon, so you're definitely gonna get your money's worth. I'm gonna try and clean them now, one by one, because I don't want to mix up the colors. I need to stress on that. Do not mix up the colors. You're gonna need a grainer. You're gonna bring them one by one. Thank you. Two things you're gonna need is a strainer and I guess another strainer. I don't really know what this one's called. And you're gonna put it in the sink after you rinse off the sink, of course, because you can never be too careful. Hand soap should do just fine with some warm water. Use like literally like a dab. Don't like OD. And if you're using soap, preferably the hand soap instead of dishwashing soap or like laundry detergent soap or anything like that. Let's go. I'm gonna go get this soap. Let's go. video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are using your rose water respectively. I bought little jars, so I'm going to treat some of my Valentine's back like a counteractive gift and give them some rose water so they could use at home. I thought it was a really cute idea, you know. I looked it up on Pinterest and I saw it and I thought it was just like the cutest thing ever for me to not do that. I really hope they like it. It's going to be so cute. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot. So stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure to comment if you like this video.